All right, so we're gonna do a quick introduction. Most websites that people currently visit are either coded using HTML, CSS, or JavaScript, or mostly a combination of both for most advanced websites. HTML is a language used for building web pages. It gives structures to the web pages and gives it kind of like a neat little body look. JavaScript is mostly what's used for giving it more like a human feature, like giving it more interaction with the actual person that's using the website. CSS is mostly used for styling, and it's more like if we're giving an example of a person, HTML is like just a person without any movements. JavaScript gives it movements, and CSS kind of gives it the nice appearance, like kind of like the clothes on the human. And once again, JavaScript is the language that's used to kind of put more animation into the kind of dry website that you create with HTML. It will allow you to put links, images, and videos onto your website in an easy fashion. So, as we learned in class, there are three sections to an HTML file. So, what happened is the first part is the body, and the second part is the head, and then the title. So, with every single part of HTML, we do need also to open the tag and close a tag, which is similar to closing the door after you've left, like when you leave the car or something. If you're comparing coding to writing an essay, in your body paragraph is where you kind of have the majority of the code, majority of the complex code, and what is actually going to show up in your website. And in between the head, which the title would come through, that's where you put the title, which you want to appear mostly on the top of your browser. And a major thing to watch out for is that you actually have the spelling done correctly, because it will actually mess up the compiler and not show up very correctly, as happened to me in my lab. As you can see here, I uploaded my image. I divided the code into three sections for like a more neater, like more precise uploading thing. By doing this, I can eliminate the need to edit the whole code. I can edit small sections of the code by going out to the different sublocations of the actual code. The final step, uploading it onto the tablet, I can show here because I don't have the tablet with me, but it was done in the lab, is I went to the JR website and I used the HTML2 APK app, and I uploaded from using my IP address from the computer. I uploaded it to the tablet and it came out as a clean code, but it's not possible to view it because they do not open on Saturdays.